In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mega menu using Elementskit and Elementor. If you're looking to enhance the navigation experience on your WordPress site, follow along as we break down each step clearly and simply. First, let's get started by accessing your website's WordPress login page. Open your web browser and enter your site's login URL. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center where you can control all elements of your website. Now let's move on to the plugins section. On the left-hand menu of your dashboard, locate the plugins option. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage all existing plugins and add new ones. This step is crucial as we'll be using a plugin to create our mega menu. In the plugins section, use the search bar to find Elementskit, a comprehensive plugin that will make the process of creating a mega menu smooth and straightforward. Type Elementskit into the search bar and press enter. You should see Elementskit pop up in the search results. It's a popular choice for many users, providing a variety of features and elements to enhance your site. Next, you'll want to install Elementskit. Beside the Elementskit plugin, you'll notice an Install Now button. Click on it to begin the installation process. Keep in mind that you'll need to have an upgraded plan to activate all functionalities, especially if you want to unlock the premium features that Elementskit offers. Once the plugin is installed, the button you clicked should now read Activate. Click on it to activate the Elementskit plugin on your site. Activation is a critical step because it connects the plugin with your website, making all its features available for use. With the plugin now active, navigate back to the dashboard. You'll notice a new menu item called Elementskit added to your dashboard panel. Click on it and let's dive into setting up your mega menu. Elementskit provides user-friendly navigation and intuitive options to guide you through the setup process. Once you're inside Elementskit, the next steps are quite comprehensive, allowing you to tailor your mega menu to fit your specific website needs. Although we won't cover those details in today's video, the plugin provides robust documentation, guiding you through customizing each element and feature. And there you have it, you've successfully installed and activated Elementskit, paving the way for a seamless setup of your mega menu. Remember, this process enhances your site's navigation, creating a better user experience for your visitors. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, Elementskit's support resources are just a click away. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you enhance your website with a beautifully crafted mega menu.